Right now, builders using Lovable's free unlimited method are launching website after website for clients, for side projects, for passive income. If you want to build landing pages, SaaS apps, and portfolios with AI but don't want to pay for multiple projects, this video is for you. I'll show you how to maximize Lovable's free options and official offers, create multiple website projects efficiently, and speed up your development workflow. You'll also learn a few practical tips to avoid wasting credits and get the most out of the free experience. No hacks, no fake promises, just a clear, honest, and easy to follow guide. Let's get started.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
This is a Chrome extension which will help us to create unlimited website by Lovable in a free account. So I will give this Chrome extension. So for that, please watch full video. I will explain for later how you can get this Chrome extension. So here you can see I had this created a simple Lovable account which is completely free. Let's click on this profile icon. Here you can see name Vivas Malik, and when we click on this setting icon, click on this setting to show you subscription hour. Click on this plans and credit uses. Here you can see 5 left. In a free plan, Lovable give you 5 free credit, and here you can see expiry date also 1 July 2027. So we don't need much credit. 5 credit is enough to create unlimited website, so don't worry about that. First go to lovable.dev/dashboard homepage, then simply click on this extension. Simply go to 3 dot and click on this extension, then turn on this developer mode. By default it's turn off. You need to turn on. Now go to your PC places where you downloaded your Chrome extension. Simply drag and drop. Here you can see our Chrome extension is added, unlimited Lovable by Vivas Malik. Here you can see. Just ignore this warning. This is not important. Simply click on this extension and pin this extension. Now again go to this website lovable.com.dev. Refresh. Here you can see our extension is here, Lovable. Simply click on this subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on this, then subscribe my channel and watch one video. Here you can see I create almost daily one video. Let's back to the topic. Simply you need to click here hi. This is the most important to get unlimited credit in a completely free. So you must need to just say hi, hello, anything random. Here you can see or reply here. Simply ignore this. This is the optional. We don't need it. Simply click on this now extension. Now we need to paste our prompt in our Chrome extension, not in a Lovable dashboard. Simply paste here your prompt. Here you can see give me a random prompt to create 𝐬𝐬 website, and this is the prompt for 𝐬𝐬 website. Let's copy this. Just you need to paste here. Here you can see you can also select plan mode or build mode. Here you can see option plan mode and build mode, and you can also download unlimited your project also in a single click. Here you can see a button download project source code. By default Lovable don't give you access to download source code in a single click, but with this extension you can download your source code in a completely free and one click. After that simply paste here your prompt. Click on this send button. Here you can see prompt send. Now in a sidebar here you can see reviewing BMI calculator issue layout. Simply wait few minutes. Here you can see it's building images. For premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can't discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. And here you can see the output. It takes almost 6 minutes, and this is the output. Here you can see great design, hero look great, this side build. You can also open it in a full browser. You can see this is our output. Just one single random prompt. Here you can see Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Even I am impressed by Lovable. Here you can see. Now the main part is, here you can see this is our output, and simply click on this extension again, and here you can see download project source code. Simply click on this. It may take few error, but don't worry, you will get the download option. Here you can see download. Now it's, I clicked 4-5 times, so it randomly opened this again, say force download. Just ignore this, ignore. I already downloaded one. Here you can see lovable project and project name .zip file, and this is the code. Here you can see these are the code for my lovable website. Now let's the main part we created on this profile. Let's visit our profile. How much credit do we used? Setting, plans and credit uses. Here you can see 5 credit left, and here you can see same 8 July 0.50 credit used, which is just we sent hi message. Here you can see daily build credit 4.5 left. We used 0.5 credit and build this awesome website. If you changes few things in the same way by extension, just you need to paste your prompt. Don't paste your prompt by default lovable command. You need to paste prompt in a extension, so you will not reduce your credit. And you can also follow me on LinkedIn. Here you can see my LinkedIn profile, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for this extension you need to contact me on WhatsApp and Telegram. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐿 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpoolstar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.